If I'm in the mood, I get as ratchet as I wanna. Turn around and show you I could bless you with some culture. Oh.
Hey guys, it's your girl Infinity Bree, and I'm back with another video. It has been so long since I've actually planned out a video, sat down and done a video for you guys. I am doing a seafood boil, but along with this seafood boil, I will be doing a Q&A. So I went on Instagram. So I made this by myself. I got my robe on. It's hot as heck, no caps. But we gonna keep it on. It's just hot. I've been in the kitchen for like 2 hours. So what I have in here, and I don't have a lot because it's just me eating. So I have 2 crab clusters, some jumbo shrimp, some sausage, and some potatoes. I sound out of breath. Q&A seafood boil. And y'all see I put it in a bag, right? I looked at so many videos trying to get this right because at first I was just gonna put it on the plate, eat it like that. But then I thought of juicy crab, and if you do not know what juicy crab is, first of all, I need to take a picture of this. But let me do a little boomerang for them real quick. This stuff is like fire. Okay, I'm too hype about this. Hold up. Put the camera. Oh, my back camera broke on this phone. Hold up, y'all. Psych! Look, I got napkins, water, baby, because you gotta have water, and a fork just in case this stuff is hot. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna start eating first, and then we'll worry about questions. But you know, we are on quarantine. I've been getting real creative because we're on quarantine. Like, I would have never did this on like no weekend. So like I had a house to myself. I said, let me treat myself for free, okay? Then I had to pay for this. Let me try potato. If you don't know me, I mean, like, even if you do know me, I love potatoes. Like, that's hot. But I love potatoes, like French fries, sweet potatoes, mashed potatoes. I just love potatoes, especially French fries. Very good and hot. I was worried that like the sausage was gonna cook all the way, because I low-key forgot about sausage. I low-key forgot about the corn. I was all over the place. So my sis Shamaya said, "Do you miss me? Cause I miss you, sissy." I miss you so much. If you don't know, I mean, it's definitely affecting everybody in the freaking country, in the world. If you don't know, coronavirus, of course. So I live in North Carolina, so our whole state is out till May 15th. It's currently April 1st. We've been out of school since May 15th, May 14th, something like that. Like, I miss you so much. I miss everybody. Like, this FaceTime ain't gonna cut it for a month and a half. And like, can't really hang out because like, where we gonna go and hang out at? Like, ooh, everybody is closed. Let me find me a shrimp. I ate everything but a shrimp. These are just frozen jumbo shrimp, so like they're not that big, but they big enough, girl. They're big enough. So let's deshell them. Y'all know what I'm ready for. I don't know when this season starts, but oyster season, whatever the heck that starts, I'm gonna be tearing this stuff up, okay? I wish I could see what I'm eating, like, real, but that's good. I'm gonna try to, like, spread these questions out so I don't, like, run the questions and I'm just talking, because that would be fun. Alright, so the next question is, my friend Janasia asked a bunch of stupid questions. She said, if 9 times 10 equals 90, if 9 times 10 equals 90, then why your name Bree? Girl, what are you talking about? You better watch this video too, because that doesn't make no sense. I miss you though, for like, you said you was coming back and you never did. Ooh, that scared me. But you said you was coming back and you never did, like, that really hurt me. She said, how much would, she didn't even say it right. She said, How much chucks could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? I don't know. Let me hear the sausage. And then I'm gonna crack open a crab. I don't know, girl. How are y'all quarantine experiences going? Yeah. But look at this, y'all. Hold up. So then she said you can't fix stupid, but you can choke it. Violence is the answer. Woo! I am sitting on the floor because like I didn't want to sit on nothing important. If that make any sense. But you're sitting at home all day. What can you do but eat and watch TV? For real. But I'm gonna try to be really, really active on this break. Cause now I really don't got no excuse to not be posting. I have no excuse. I have no excuse. And if you need crackers to crack your crabs, you're weak. You're literally just weak as heck. Like, where's my foot go? Oh. But if you need crackers to crack your stuff, baby, you just a weak girl. You just a weak one. If you 10 and up, I'm gonna say 12 and up. If you 12 and up cracking your crabs with crackers, my sis Kayla, she said favorite thing to do when you're bored. Eat. Like when I'm bored, I love TikTok, girl. TikTok, that is literally like a big source of entertainment for me. Let's see if I can pull a good piece out. That is a big source of entertainment for me. Like, TikTok is funny. I like to make TikTok. I'm at the start of my TikTok career. Go follow me on TikTok at InfinityBree9059. You better go do that. But yeah. I like to watch TikTok. I like to sing when I'm bored, being here singing. I like to dance, because you know I dance on TikTok, so I love me a good dance, girl. I can't get a good piece. My goal in this video is to like get one of them like iconic big old pieces of crab out for y'all. But I hope y'all staying safe. Don't be going out talking about forget the corona, even though I said that last night. And if you go out, you don't need to be running around. Go to point A to point B, stay there, then go back to point A. That's what I think. And I also really do think that they need to put us on lockdown. Do you see all these other countries on lockdown? And like, our numbers just keep going up and up. Like, y'all acting like y'all don't care. I really don't understand. Talking about that's gonna hurt the economy. Baby! Millions of people are dying. I mean, millions of people dying is gonna hurt the economy. Like, you're not thinking about the lives of us. You can get some of this stuff with this bag. I'm too short for this. But yeah, like, I don't know. I just hope it's gone soon, because like 2020, everybody hyped up 2020. We were saying that 2020 is gonna be the next 2016. Maybe the summer will. The summer better, because after we get all these restrictions, everybody going crazy. I don't know it. I'm gonna have to be out every weekend, baby, after this. Because not going, like, this is not like me. If you know, like, my parents know I'm always going somewhere with my friends. Like, I'm always trying to go somewhere with my friends. They better give me some freedom after this, because I just be in the house in my room, not doing nothing. That's not fun. Okay, Reagan, she is in my course class with me, my women's course, and she said, what do you want to do after you graduate? Whew. After I graduate, breathe, that must hurt for real though. Anyway, beauty is pain. Hunger is pain. I don't know what to say. Anyway, but She said, what do I want to do after I graduate? So I plan, I do want to go to college. It's not one of those things where I feel forced to go to college. I definitely do want to go to college. So I plan on attending at HBCU in North Carolina. But if I get a scholarship somewhere out of state, I'm going. But I plan on going to HBCU. If you don't know what an HBCU is, it's a historically black college or institute. No, historically black college or university. And it's like a legacy in my family to go to NCA&T, which is located in Greensboro, North Carolina. But I do not want to close my options off because, of course, you just got to keep an open mind. I'm definitely going to HBCU. Nobody's changing my mind about that. I want to go. It's not like I have anything to do with diverse communities or like PWIs, but I want to get an experience for HBCU. I know I can get into HBCU. I will get into HBCU, and that's just that. Period. So I want to go to HBCU, and then after I graduate there, I will attend nursing school or whatever that's called. And I either want to be that was ugly. I either want to be an RN or a pediatric nurse. So RN is like they assist doctors, if that makes any sense, and then pediatric nurse they help with kids. And I don't know which one I want to do. And then another one of my little fantasies is that I want to like be a nurse. I want to be a nurse, but then I want to teach cheer at a middle school, not a high school, because that's going to require a lot of time. But I want to cheer. Not cheer. I want to teach coach a cheer team at a middle school, at a local middle school around my location that I will live in the future. So that's what I want to do. And yeah. Yes! Y'all see that? It's not gonna focus because I don't have it on stuff locked. Baby girl, that was beautiful. That was just beautiful. Yeah, you gotta get rid of one of that. These crab legs kind of salty. I ain't add no salt. How many of y'all have ate like crabs? Like, not crab legs. Crabs like the Jimmy's, like supermarket. Some of my friends be looking at me like I'm weird when I say I be eating the whole crab. I thought that was normal. I didn't have crab legs till like maybe last year. I was just raised eating whole crabs. I'm sorry if you like real animal person. I'm sorry. All right. One of my best friends, Khalees, said, "Can you do a hair tutorial?" And what hair tutorial do you want me to do on? Just let me know what you want a hair tutorial on. My friend Amelia said celebrity crush. We can go down the list. Okay, let's start. Let's see. Celebrity crush. What's the month number? So, we got the baby, Trevor Jackson, Jacob Lattimore. Oh, this is not a celebrity, but this is YouTuber. He'd go by Papa Duck. Him. Oh my God, Diddy's sons, Princeton. Oh my God, like the list goes on. Child, let me eat the shrimp. Guys. The list really go on. The list really go on. Oh, look at that! Oh, I don't want to get drippy all over the place. Look at that, y'all. That's all meat. Child. But, Now, my friend Kavera said, "How long have I had a YouTube?" So I originally started YouTube in like end of 6th grade, or was it beginning of 7th grade? One of those. That's when I originally started, right? So I had like, by the time I stopped doing it in that time frame, I had like 70 something subscribers. And I was like, nah, I don't want to do this no more. People kept on bringing it up in school. People kept on trying to show me videos in class. I was over it. I don't want that type of attention. If you want to watch it, go home and watch it yourself. I did not like that attention, so I said, forget it. I deleted all my videos and that was it. And I was sad. I regretted that I let that get to me. Because I don't know why. I shouldn't have stopped. I really shouldn't have stopped. So then, I started back up. I started back up 9th grade year. Ninth grade year. I've had my YouTube in all for about 4 years. But I really started getting consistent on it last year. So, yeah. Next question is, Kay, which is an internet friend, said best thing that happened in school. I don't want to answer that question. Like, what you mean? Best thing that happened in school? I don't really know. One time in 7th grade, the power went out. Best day. Hilarious. I don't know. My friend Denaya said, this is the last question. Nope. What are your thoughts on the coronavirus outbreak? I think it's ridiculous. I think we could have prevented it from getting this bad. Honestly, truly. I really do think we could have prevented this. Someone in China went on lockdown and started taking precautions measures in the beginning of January. We just started this mess last week, for real. I just don't get it. And then Trump talking about we gonna be done social distancing by Easter. Then he want to change it to April 30th. Yeah, thank you for actually thinking logically. Oh, girl. I just don't understand him. I will never understand him. And he's not for me to understand at all, baby. I'm trying to get out everything else I got left. I got cooked potatoes. And the rest is trash. I wish I would have, oh, there's go another shrimp. I think I cooked like just enough for real. A little bit too many crab legs. Because I really am not going to eat all this. But anyway. Next is my cousin. She said, not a question, but can't wait to see you again. I can't wait to see you either, girl. Like, I miss y'all so much. I'm so proud of y'all on your accomplishments, your whole family. I love y'all. I miss y'all very deeply. Well, I miss y'all so much. It's crazy. But yeah. Next was, this fan page came and asked me what somebody's favorite song was, and I don't know. Babasi, I don't know who you are. My friend Kendall said, do you want kids in the future? Of course. For me, whole family, I want 2 kids. Boy and a girl, preferably the boy first. Or 3 kids, I don't know. Well, I do want kids, I definitely want kids. That's a no-brainer. Then she said favorite dish to cook or eat. My favorite dish to cook is French toast. I love French toast. Either French toast or pancakes. I love cooking it and they turn out really good. So yeah. Favorite dish to eat is my grandmother's beef stew. That must be hitting. Or her baked Alfredo. Girl. That must be hitting for real. Hitting. I got another shrimp. Woo! Girl, I'm full. Anyway, then I think that's the last question. Yep. That is my last question. Y'all, this was so good. And I'm so proud of myself. Like, that was good as heck. Everything is seasoned. Everything was cooked all the way. Everything was good. Nothing was raw. The sauce was good. I was gonna try to make B-Lens like sauce, but I ain't. She was doing too much. Maybe next time. She was doing way too much for me. But yeah. Dang, I'm gonna put my cleaned up towel now. But yeah. I'm full. Like, I'm gonna look up. Whew. I ain't eat though. Thank you for watching. Wait, I got you. My outro. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified. Hit that bell to be notified. And what was it? Dang, I ain't saying that about. And I'll see you in the next video. Woo!